So let's get started with system of circles SAQs. So this question is very important. It appeared last in TS June 2023. So the question is, find the equation of the circle which passing through the origin and intersects the two circles orthogonally. So first let us take the general equation. So let the equation of required circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now since equation number 1 passes through the origin. So in the question you can see it passes through the origin. So whenever equation passes through the origin, we need to substitute 0, 0 in the place of x and y. So in equation number 1, we need to substitute 0, 0. So you will get 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c. So whenever it passes through the origin, we get c is equal to 0. This is one relation we got. Now let the remaining two equations which are given in the question. Let the equations of circles be x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. And then x square plus y square plus 12y plus 6 is equal to 0. Equation number 3. Now what it is saying, find the equation of the circle which passes through the origin and intersects these two circles orthogonally. Means first you have to take 1 and 2 are orthogonal. Apply orthogonal condition. Then we will take 1 and 3 are orthogonal. So let's see how do we do that. Since equation number 1 and 2 are orthogonal, what is the orthogonal condition? 2g1g2 plus 2f1f2 is equal to c1 plus c2. Now from first equation we will take GFC. So that is a general equation. In the place of GFC you have GFC only. So we will take G1 is equal to G, F1 is equal to F, C1 is equal to C. Now from second equation we will take GFC values and we will name it as G2, F2, C2. So G2 is minus 2, F2 is 3 and C2 is 10. Now we need to apply this formula, these values in this condition. So 2 G1 G2 plus 2 F1 F2 is equal to C1 plus C2. So minus 4G plus 6F is equal to C plus 10. This is equation number 4. Now the same way, since equation number 1 and 3 are orthogonal. So from first equation if you see, G1 is G, F1 is F, C1 is C. So what is the condition since 1 and 3 are orthogonal? 2G1 G2 plus 2F1 F2 is equal to C1 plus C2. Now from the third equation if you see, we will get G2 F2 C2 here. So there is no x term here, so G2 will be 0 and F2 is 6, C2 is 6. Now you substitute here 2 into G into 0 plus 2 into F into 6 is equal to C plus 6. So you will get 12F is equal to C plus 6. This is but we know that C is 0, right? Just now we got to know na, here C is equal to 0. So we substitute C is equal to 0 here. So you will get 12F is equal to 0 plus 6. 12F is equal to 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. So F is equal to 1 by 2. We take 2 to the other side. So F becomes 1 by 2. Now substituting in equation number 4. So minus 4g plus 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 0 plus 10 because c is 0. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Minus 4g is equal to 10 minus 3. Minus 4g is equal to 7. G is equal to minus 7 by 4. We got g value. Substituting g, f, c in equation number 1. So x square plus y square plus 2 into g is minus 7 by 4 into x plus 2 into f is 1 by 2 into y plus c is 0. So 2 ones are 2 twos are cancelled. Now we take LCM. So you get 2x square plus 2y square minus 7x plus 2y is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Now take the next question. In the last question, you could see two circle equations were given. But over here, we have one line and one circle. So let's see how to begin. Even this question is very, very important. It last appeared in AP, May 2023 and TS, May 2022. So again, we begin the same way. We will take the general equation. So let the equation of the required circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now since equation number 1 passes through the origin, origin is always taken as 0, 0. Now you substitute 0, 0 in the place of x and y in the first equation. So you get 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c. So we get c is equal to 0. So whenever equation passes through origin, we always get c is equal to 0. Now after that, what is the given circle equation? Given equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now we take equation number 1 and 2 orthogonal. So since equations 1 and 2 are orthogonal, what is the condition? The same condition we use, 2g1 g2 plus 2f1 f2 is equal to c1 plus c2. Now from first equation we take GFC. G1 is G, F1 is F, C1 is C. And from the second equation we take GFC values. G2 is minus 2, F2 is 1, C2 is 4. Now we substitute in the given condition. So 2 into G into minus 2 plus 2 into F into 1 is equal to C plus 4. So minus 4G plus 2F is equal to C is 0. So 0 plus 4 becomes 4. Let's say this is equation number 3. So after applying the orthogonal condition, we will take the last part, that is having its center on the line x plus y is equal to 4. Now center lies on the line means center is minus g comma minus f. Center lies on the line. What is the line equation given? X plus y is equal to 4. So in the place of x you put minus g, in the place of y you put minus 4. So minus g minus f is equal to 4. So if we take minus common, g plus f is equal to minus 4. This is equation number 4. Now from third equation we can take 2 common. So we get minus 2g plus f is equal to 2. Let's take this equation as 3. Now we will solve 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4. So what is third equation? Minus 2g plus f equals 2. And over here fourth equation is g plus f is minus 4. Change the signs. F minus f cancel. Minus 2g minus g is minus 3g equals 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So g is minus 2. Now substituting g in any one of the equation, either 3 or 4. Let's substitute in fourth equation. So g is minus 2 plus f is minus 4. So f is minus 4 plus 2. F is minus 2. So you got g value, f value and also c value. Now substituting g, f, c in equation number 1. So we get x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 2 into x plus 2 into minus 2 into y plus c is equal to 0. So that gives you x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 0. C is 0. So that becomes equals to 0. Now take this next question. This is also very, very important. It came in TS March 23. So the question is, find the equation of the circle which cuts orthogonally the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 7 is 0 and having the center at 2, 3. So first we will write the given equation of the circle. What is the equation given here? X square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Let's take this as equation number 1. Now we take the general equation. Let the equation of the required circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now since 1 and 2 are orthogonal, we apply the same condition. 2g1 g2 plus 2f1 f2 is equal to c1 plus c2. Now from the first equation we get gfc. So g1 is minus 2, g2 is 1. Sorry. g1 is minus 2, f1 is 1 and c1 is minus 7. And from the second equation, g2 is g, f2 is f, c2 is c. So after applying the condition 2 into minus 2 into g plus 2 into 1 into f is equal to minus 7 plus c. So you get minus 4g plus 2f is equal to minus 7 plus c. Okay. Now what is given to us? Center is 2, 3 given. But we know center is minus g, minus f. So we get g is 2 and f is, so g is minus 2 and f is minus 3 because center is minus g, minus f. Let us take this as equation number 3. Now substitute the gf values in this equation. Now substituting gf values in equation number 3. So minus 4 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 3 equals minus 7 plus c. Minus 4 into minus 2 is 8. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 is equal to minus 7 plus c. Now this is 2. If I take minus 7 this side, we get plus 7 equals c. So we get c value as 9. Now you got g, f and C. Substitute in the general equation. But here, general equation, we took it as second equation. So substituting in equation number 2. Don't substitute in equation number 1 here because we have taken general equation as equation number 2. So x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 2 into x plus 2 into minus 3 into y plus 9 is equal to 0. So we get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 is 0. Now take this next question. This is also important. This came in TS May 2019. So find the equation of the circle passing through the points 2, 0, 0, 2 and orthogonal to the circle. So as usual, we will always take the general equation as first equation. So let the equation of required circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And what is the given circle equation? Given circle equation is 2x square plus 2y square plus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now because it has coefficient 2, so we divide by 2. So if you divide this equation by 2, you will get x square plus y square plus 5 by 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Take this as equation number 2. Now since equation number 1 and 2 are orthogonal, we use the same condition 2g1 g2 plus 2f1 f2 is equal to c1 plus c2. So from first equation we will get g1 f1 c1. So g1 is g, f1 is f, c1 is c. From general equation we always get gfc only. And from the second equation, do here carefully, you have a fraction. What is G2? G2 is half of coefficient of x. So you can see coefficient of x is 5 by 2. So half of 5 by 2 is 5 by 4. And F2 is half of minus 3. Coefficient of y is minus 3. What is half of minus 3? Minus 3 by 2. And C2 is the constant. Now apply carefully. 2 into G into 5 by 4 plus 2 into f into minus 3 by 2 is equal to c plus 2. So over here we cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are. And here if you take LCM here, what do you get? So here denominators are same. We can add the numerators. 5g minus 6f. Now this denominator 2 goes that side and it becomes 2c plus 4. This is equation number 3. Do it carefully. You have fraction over here. Now after doing that orthogonal part, we will pass the circle equation through these 2 points. So now take equation number 1 passes through 2, 0. So general equation you substitute 2 and 0. 2 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into 0 plus c is 0. So you get 4g plus c is equal to minus 4. This is equation number 4. Now equation number 1 passes through the second point, that is 0, 2. So you get 0 square plus 2 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 2 plus c is equal to 0. Over here you get 4f plus c is equal to minus 4. This is equation number 5. Now solving 4 and 5. So you get 4g plus c is equal to minus 4. 4f plus c is equal to minus 4. Change the signs. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Plus 6 minus 6 cancel. So you get 4g minus 4f is equal to 0. So you get 4g minus 4f is equal to 0, right? So you take 4 common. G minus f is equal to 0. So you get a condition g is equal to f. We got a condition g is equal to f. Okay. Now we need to substitute g and f over here in the third equation. So substituting g is equal to f in third equation. So you will get 5g minus 6g is equal to 2c plus 4. So you get 5g minus 6g is minus g is equal to 2c plus 4. Or if I take 2c this side, we will get minus 2c. So you get here minus g minus 2c is equal to 4. Equation number 6. Now if you observe equation number 4 and 6, you have g and c. Now solving 4 and 6. So over here you have g. Over here you have 4g. So let us multiply fourth equation with 2 so that c will be eliminated. So 8g plus 2c is equal to minus 8. And here I am writing as it is. Now plus 2c minus 2c cancel. 7g is equal to minus 4. So g is equal to minus 4 by 7. But we know that g is equal to f, right? Since g is equal to f is also minus 4 by 7. Now substitute g and f in either 4 or 5, you will get c value. Substituting g in equation number 4. So 4 into minus 4 by 7 plus c is equal to minus 4. So c is 16 by 7 minus 4. So c is equal to 16 by 7 minus 4. Take LCM, you get 16 minus 28 by 7. So that is 28 minus 16 is 12 by 7. So you got C value as 12 by 7. Now substituting G, F, C in equation number 1. G and F you got it as minus 4 by 7. So x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 4 by 7 into x plus 2 into minus 4 by 7 into y plus 12 by 7 is 0. Now you take the LCM. So you get 7x square plus 7y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0. So where you don't have by 7, there we are multiplying with 7. And where you have by 7, we are just multiplying the numerators and writing. So this is the final answer.